Well, there's a significance of this meal. One, because my son loves it, and I'm teaching him how to make it hands-on. But two, because this frying pan utensil that I'm using, that Laura did not know what it was called, is 50 years old. We had it as a wedding gift 50 years ago. So there you have a little side story about the significance of this wonderful sweet and sour spare ribs, it's called. So there you have a little detail. Worth can't live without. So right now, the first step is to brown the spare ribs. These look like lovely spare ribs, by the way. And we're going to have a lot left over, which is good, of course. So after we've browned them, then we're going to add the vegetable ingredients and simmer them in a beautiful sauce. The sauce is made of soy sauce, white vinegar, pineapple sauce, juice, scallions, green peppers, and brown sugar. And did I say soy sauce? I think I did. So we have our work underway to get this meal going. The rice has already been cooked and it's all heated, steamed up over there. So that's good. So we're making progress. Yes, these are lovely chunks of spare ribs. So they're going to be very tasty indeed.
Okay, a TV magic. Here we
TV
go.
magic.
Here we go. It's the TV magic.
Do you want me to start from?
Laura is cutting peppers. I'm managing. These peppers can be cut in smaller pepperages, I think.
I thought we were doing TV magic, so I was starting from the new one.
No, let's.
Bite-sized pieces.
Okay, cut. Ready, go. No, I'm just kidding.
That's what I thought. You wanted me to start from the fresh one.
But they can't see the TV magic through the bottles. So we're cutting these into thin slices like this.
Are we on film now?
Yeah, we're filming. We're going.
We're going, all right.
Ready, so we're cutting up these peppers.
Peppers are being sliced.
These
Bite-sized pieces, I think.
Bite size, what about long? Should I cut them this way as well?
That's good. Yeah. And
What,
then
yes? No?
That's
Yes.
good. That's a good size. And then, yeah, keep them all that
Alright,
size.
we're cutting them. Laura's brooding over there.
What's she doing? What's she
She's
doing?
brooding.
What is
Brooding.
Yeah. 'Cause-
Oh, well, what for the camera,
kicked her
Laura?
off.
Laura. Cheers.
And you can't
Cheers.
eat without some cooking, or you can't cook without some eating or drinking.
Oh my gosh.
Okay,
Nailed it.
cut!
He hasn't even been
Take two.
drinking.
You can't cook unless
Laura,
you're
do
drinking.
You want to drain that pineapple juice into
Yeah.
that measuring cup?
Laura's gonna drain some fresh pineapple juice chunks.
So you want the juice in the cup?
Juice in the cup.
That's good. You're doing great. Wonderful job. Good pour.
That would be chunk
High pour.
pineapple.
Chunk
Not
pineapple.
crushed pineapple. Chunk pineapple.
All right. Juice out.
Ooh, that's a lot of juice, isn't it? All right, so to that, you're going to add a quarter cup of vinegar.
Okay.
The white vinegar right there.
And we have our little quarter cupper here.
You have about a cup of pineapple juice from the can. And we're adding
Quarter cup of white
a quarter cup of
vinegar.
white vinegar. It's metal, I can't see inside of it.
Yeah, look on the inside. There-
Okay, I know, yelled up like I thought you were trying to show it off. Like, check out this cup of vinegar.
no, I was turning it.
We're cutting that part out.
I was turning it around because one side has one and one side has the other.
Perfect.
Okay, so next.
Wait for the Chef Pro.
I'm gonna just leave this like that. I'll get rid of your
Thank you.
bad stuff.
Pepper
There's more
bits.
peppers down here.
Yeah, those are the dying peppers.
Okay. Well, why don't I throw them out?
We don't want to eat dying peppers. What you want to eat tonight? Can't believe this pan is 50 years old. How crazy. Is this going to be done tonight?
Yeah. Let's flip that guy. I'm gonna get our green onions chopped too, because I do know we have to do that.
Chop our green. Laura will proceed with chopping our green onions. This pork is getting real stiff.
I think we gotta add all this sauce to it soon. We'll unstiffen it. already washed these green
Yep,
onions?
they've been washed. These are not to be used.
Okay. Perfect. Do you want all of these?
Yes. So now Laura is chopping the green onions into small little green onion pieces.
Now, are you putting them in here? Okay, that's good. So now into that, we want to put a quarter cup of soy sauce.
Which we have a quarter cup of vinegar. We have a quarter cup of white vinegar, right?
That's right. And a quarter cup of soy sauce.
Quarter cup of soy sauce. Quarter cup of soy sauce. Wow.
And then a quarter cup of brown sugar, which we're going to just,
Iron up.
Iron-
Iron up quarter cup of
eyeball.
brown sugar. Hey, who didn't love some brown sugar? Yeah.
that's not cool.
I don't know what a quarter cup is. Are you sure? That looks like a quarter
3
cup.
scoops.
Are you sure? Wow,
Yes,
that's a lot of
because,
scoops.
now I don't know if you have one of these devices in your kitchen. Judy
Thank you,
Danis
Chef.
gave us these. And it's a little,
Oh.
it's an owl.
Oh, how cute.
But
What is it for?
keeps your brown sugar soft.
Come over here. Come over here, mother.
In fact, Judy Danis taught me this recipe.
Yeah.
And I just am mentioning you, Judy, because this is quite the little implement. to
Method
use.
implement.
Yes.
So it keeps it unclipping?
It keeps it from, no, your brown sugar gets hard.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Hey, Laura, you
keeps
can
it
take
from
a
getting
step
hard.
in.
So where are we with the onions?
These onions.
Yeah. So, and what about that guy?
Do you want this one?
Yeah.
You put the stock in there?
You gotta, you can put the, but we need that. You gotta start from the bottom.
Oh, I was used to
Use the
putting it
whole
in a
onion.
glass to grow it. My
We've never
bad.
used
Oh,
the
I'm
whole
sorry.
onion.
We can do
We
those-
can use the stock.
We can use those two for growing.
If you like stock, I will put stock.
No, it doesn't matter. We don't need to grow. We usually don't use the whole.
Yeah,
onion.
I just that.
I didn't even know you could use the stalk part.
What do you use when you use green onions?
Just the tips.
The white part.
And no, the green part. And we grow the white part back in. The white part grows the green part in.
Well, add some flavor.
Okay, so now these are going to, they're browning. It could be a little browner, but we're moving right along. And, yeah, see, that's a little too red. Yeah. But we're going to cover this, so you can put that in there now.
All of this in
Yeah,
there?
and the pineapple as well.
Everything. We're putting everything in.
Go for it.
And
Inhale.
green peppers.
Peppers, yes, ma'am.
Peppers.
Yes.
Peppers. And now the pineapple can from the pan.
Pineapple from the can.
Laura, scoot in a little closer. Get in here.
Okay.
Some of these?
Yeah, all of them.
All of them. Yeah.
We've got a big dish going on here, girl. So
should I give this a good mix?
Give it a good mix.
Make it a mix.
You wanna knife it?
No, it's not a good mix in utensil.
Need more service.
You put the
Ooh, what about the cherry
Yeah, we're
juice?
gonna put that into his bowl.
Into that?
Well,
Here, I need a cherry juice
We're
here.
mixing in the sugar.
Right.
Yes, mother.
Oh, I've got to put this corn. I almost forgot the ingredient. That's very important.
The cornstarch makes it really.
Oh!
That is right.
Should I add all this cherry juice?
Yes. That is great. Whew. This is my baking powder.
Cheers.
Yeah, I like cherry juice. So yummy.
Mmm, so yummy.
That would be 2 tablespoons of cornstarch.
2 tablespoons. 2 tablespoons.
Or maybe 3 because we've got a lot of stuff. going
Okay.
on.
What do you think? What do you think, chef? This
Chef
is your
Laura.
recipe. 1.
That looks good. Maybe 2.
1 or 2? Or 3?
3. Yeah, 3.
We're going 3.
We're going for 3
Cycle.
Going 3 cups of cornstarch.
cornstarch.
Okay.
All right.
Where's our soy sauce top?
Did we put the soy sauce in there?
We did.
No, I think just a little more. You can just directly
On here?
Yeah, a little bit more. Just kind of spread it all over.
How's that?
Okay, we can always add more when you're at your plate at the table.
You never have enough soy sauce.
We can never add less.
Yeah. Well, this isn't really screwy. Is it?
What?
What is it? It's not working. No, it didn't.
Okay, so where do we stand? moving right along.
Oops. I don't know.
So shall I pour this red-looking liquid on here?
Isn't it beautiful?
It's beautiful. Look at this beautiful liquid.
Beautiful.
Ooh, look at all the colors.
Now there is a nice big spoon you need to stir it up with. Yes. You can wipe up this residue when I get this out of here.
Sounds good.
TV magic. It's clean.
We can get this out of here. Excuse me.
Get some of those veggies down in there. Should I turn the heat up? Or is it already on high? Get back in there. So what is the estimated cook time on this now?
Till you take a piece of meat out and slice it and see if it seems done. So is that?
So
So basically just check the middle of the meat and once everything's mixed in.
That's excellent.
Okay.
push this
So we'll
one.
just check.
Has the sauce thickened?
I mean, it's literally just got in. Not much has happened. Should I cover it now?
Yes.
I've mixed in some of the vegetables into the middle. I'm sure the meat will shrivel a bit more.
Yeah, that's really a full pan. I don't usually make that much, but
Yeah.
I wasn't sure. Oh, could you be doing that?
Wait a minute. Why is
Where's
that
our control
listening?
lid? Tap the top.
Interesting.
And now we wait.
And now we wait. Okay, we'll put this on the table and we'll put this away. Can you pass me the cornstarch? Sure.
We'll be back. TV magic.
Right.
We would predict about a 10 to 15 minute cook time.
Now, is this at a temperature? I can't, because my.
What
it is-
temperature do you-
It is 50 years old, so that it is,
What do we like to cook it at? The high?
it's like high, right? Because that's low, isn't that? Can you see?
I have no idea what this part is.
I know.
350-ish?
Because boiling, well, it should go to
Should-
420.
should
Oh, look, that's
Should go to-
300, 350,
Yeah.
400. This is 400, 425.
All right, so that's correct. We want it to go to 425.
425.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
And voila, we have sweet and sour spare ribs, au fait complete en tank. Mais oui. It's a gorgeous dish. We will serve it up. You may come back for seconds because we have a zulwa of it. So I'm just going to turn it on simmer to let it keep simmering away. Look at that. Look at that. Isn't that delicious? The sauce is nice and thick, and I do think that the 3 tablespoons of cornstarch is excellent.
Wonderful.